that according to my ability and judgment, I will keep this oath and this stipulation to reckon him who taught me this art equally dear to me and my parents, to share my substance with him and relieve his necessities if required, to look upon his offspring in the same footing as my own brother, and to teach them this art if they shall wish to learn it without fee or stipulation, and that by receipt, lecture, and every other mode of instruction, I will impart a knowledge of art to my own sons and those of my teachers and to disciples bound by the stipulation and oath according to the law of medicine, but to none others. I will follow that system of regime which, according to my ability and judgment, I consider of the benefit of my patient, and abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous. I will give no deadly medicine to anyone if asked, nor suggest any such counsel, and in like manner I will not give to a woman a capacity to produce abortion. With purity and with holiness I will pass my life and practice my art. I will not cut persons laboring under the stone, but will leave this to be done by men who are practitioners of the work. Into whatever houses I enter, I will go into them for the benefits of the sick, and will abstain from every voluntary act of mischief and corruption. And further, from the seduction of female or males, of free men and slaves, whatever in connection with my professional practice or not, in connection with it, I see or hear in the life of man which ought not to spoken of abroad. I will not divulge as reckoning that all such should be kept secret.